We are going to, this is Miss Rizk. We're going to go over the first week online assignment that you're supposed to do. So to get to your online assignments, you first have to log on to your Google Classroom with your LAUSD account. Click on Chemistry A or ICS 3, whichever class you're taking. Click on About, and I'm going to show you how to get there. You read all the documents posted. So let's go to Google Classroom. All right, and then you go to Chem A or ICS 3, whichever one you're taking. So I'm just going to click on this one. And you see how this is, let me make this a little bigger. Stream or About, you click on About, scroll down. Okay, and right here, course description, you click on it. Read it carefully, see what this course is about. Go back. Oops, go back. You're going to click on About again if it doesn't take you to the same spot. And then the Chem A outline is all about the chapters we're going to cover. So click on it, read it, learn it. Okay, and it tells you all the topics, the labs, activities, foldables. Then go back. Safety, so you click on it and there's a lot of information there about what you should and should not do, and there will be a test on that, so read it carefully, learn it. There will also be a handout and a video that has to be submitted. So you go back, go over the standards that you have to cover, and this is supplies that you have to buy. Okay, scientific calculator, highlighters, color pencils, glue, tape. You're gonna need 2 notebooks, one for the first semester, one for the second semester, but read everything carefully. It's right here. And after that, you're going to go to grading scale and expectation. I'm going to go over it real quick with you. Let's make this a little bigger. Okay, so 30% is homework and classwork, quizzes, and end of unit assessment is 35%, labs and projects 30%, extra credit participation 5%. 90% is an A, 80 is a B, 63% is a C, 53 is a D. So passing is really doable in my class. Some expectations: be prompt, on time, prepared, have all your supplies with you, polite, and productive. Cooperation: if you're tardy or absent 5 times, or have more than 5 class violation, you get a U in cooperation. And if you miss more than 5 assessment or assignments and absent for more than 2 tests, you get a U in work habits. You'll be getting extra credit for every 10-week grading period if you're not missing any assignments. I also give extra credit or birthday homework pass, but just remember to ask me for it, and it gives you the details. All right, you go back. Also, there's 3 hall pass that will be provided, and if you don't abuse them and you give them back to me, you'll get extra credit. So now let's go back to our PowerPoint. Now, once you've read all the document, then you click on Stream, and I'll show you how to do that. Under topics, click on the first week's assignment. You need to submit everything by the August 18th in this order. So the first one will be signature, all about me, multiple intelligence survey. It's not really graded, but it does help you to complete the summary. This summary intelligence survey, that's the one that's graded. Textbook scavenger hunt is the last one. So let's go ahead back to Google Classroom. And then you see how it says about and stream. Click on stream. And then you scroll down, it says there's 2 topics. So click on it, first week assignments. And then you want to submit signatures first. And what this is about is I've read and understood class goals, expectation, and lab safety. And I intend to comply and support in every way. Your name, click, select period, answer a few questions about what you've read, about class cooperation, and your name, parent's name, and submit. Then you go back. The next thing it says on the list is all about me. So scroll all the way down till you find all about me. Click on it. Do the same thing. Put your name first. Click on period. And then you need to tell me 3 things about your family, hobbies, goals, short term, long term, and favorite subject and all that. And then submit. You go back, the next thing on your list is the survey. So you go back up, find survey, multiple intelligence assessment. I'm going to change that to survey. So when you get there, it says read each statement carefully. You have about 56 statements, and they're very, very short, very easy. It goes real quick. And then you just choose or scale it from 1 to 5. 1 means the statement does not describe you at all. 5, it means that the statement describes you exactly. And then when you're done, you're going to click Find My Strengths. And this is going to be all about your strengths and weaknesses. Then go back. Now you can complete the summary. So when you click on the summary, it says 10 points. Name, period. All you have to submit is 3 things about your strengths, and then 3 things about your weaknesses, and then submit. The last thing you have to do for the first week online is scavenger hunt. So click on it. Use the scavenger hunt to learn where everything is located in each chapter. So put your name, don't forget period, and then have your textbook ready right next to you and answer some of these questions. I'm going to go over in more details in class, but this is just quick references. And then you submit. And this is 7 points. 7 questions, 7 points. Very quick. All right, and that concludes the assignments for the first week. I'm going to have another tutorial for assignments for the second week. And now, of course, that's not all the assignment that's due first week. We have notebook work. So I'm going to have another tutorial showing you how to set up your notebook and what goes in the notebook. Okay, thank you. See you next time.